Hiyangthem Krishna Kumari. Aina takchagadoriba class 3 and 4 gi English subject. Hello children, today we are going to learn a new chapter for class 4 and that is chapter number 15 and the name of the chapter is Wake Up, It's Me. Before the lesson, I would like to just mention something here before the lesson. So, please pay attention, okay? Have you heard about biography? Biography kind of word say, so some of you have heard and some others are not. So let me tell you. A biography is an account of someone's life written by another person. So a biography is an account, that means a story of someone and someone's life which is written by another person. Atopa mi amana ne aigi wari aigi life ki maramda iba taragadi madubo khoina kai kaweba biography. You got it children? Khangi ko aduga samanana autobiography haiba masu laiba ko. Autobiography. So what is an autobiography? Let's see. An autobiography is an account of person's life written by the person himself or herself. Mi masado aduna ne masagi wari adum izabase sibo khoina kai kaweba autobiography. So you got it, biography and autobiography. In biography, what? Life's account is written by another person. And again, in autobiography, the account of a person is written by the person himself or herself. You got it children? Khangani ko. Aduna, in today's chapter, we are going to learn about an autobiography of newspaper. Ko newspaper na ne magi maramda izaba. Wari ne ba ngasi padose. So, let's read the lesson now. It was a pleasant morning. Birds were twittering among the branches. Amo woke up and rushed out to see the birds which he loved very much. Suddenly, he heard a voice calling, Amo, Amo. So, the story just opened like this. It was a pleasant morning. The story was set up as it was a pleasant morning and birds were twittering. Twittering means chirping sound of the birds among the branches of the trees. And suddenly, Amo woke up and he just rushed out to see the birds which he loved very much. And at that time, he heard a voice calling, Amo, Amo. Amo looked around but couldn't see anybody. Here I am, Amo, said the voice. They have rolled me up like a tube and put a rubber band around me. Please set me free quickly. So, Amo looked around but he couldn't see anybody. But the voice again says, Here I am, Amo, said the voice. They have rolled me up like a tube and put a rubber band around me. So, please set me free quickly. Ay thado piro haina hairameba. Amo picked the newspaper up and removed the rubber band. So, the voice was none other than but the newspaper itself. Ngasai voice to newspaper oirame ko tube ama asana ocean kre rubber band na phajan bire haibado. So, who was that person? Newspaper himself or newspaper itself. So, he unfolded the paper. A smiling face greeted him. Aha, Mr. Newspaper, how are you this morning? Said Amo. And fine, thank you, replied Mr. Newspaper. I see you every day, but know very little about you. Could you tell me something more about yourself? Asked Amo. So, Amo picked out the newspaper and he just removed the rubber band from it and he unfolded the newspaper. And now a smiling face greeted him. "Aha, Mr. Newspaper, how are you this morning?" said Amo. Say, Amo was just asking, "How are you, Mr. Newspaper?" And Mr. Newspaper replied, "Fine, thank you. Yes, I'm good, I'm fine. I see you every day but know very little about you. Could you tell me something about yourself?" asked Amo. So Amo asked the newspaper that he saw the newspaper every day, but he knew very little about the newspaper. So he just wanted to know more about the newspaper. So Mr. Newspaper seemed extremely pleased. "My pleasure. Let me tell you about myself. You see the chief editor's name at the bottom of the last page. This person gives me the final shape. Some people are engaged to collect news. They are called reporters. They collect news from within the country as well as from outside." So Mr. Newspaper was extremely pleased to know that Amo wanted to know about him. So he just started talking about himself. So he said, "Yes, there is chief editor's name at the bottom of the last page of the newspaper." Newspaper ki last page ki ne bottom the chief editor ki maming yaubani ko hai ka. "This person gives me the final shape." So the chief editor gave him the final shape. That means the final paper. And some people are engaged to collect news. And for the news, some people are what? Engaged. That means to do something or to get busy. So they are called reporters. Those persons who are engaged to collect news are called reporters. They collect news from within the country as well as from outside. So those reporters collect news from what? Our country as well as from outside. It is put under different sections like current affairs, sports, business, travel, science forum, education, etc. People also advertise their goods and services through me. I have something for everybody, men and women, the young and the old. So the newspaper said, the newspaper had what? Some sections like current affairs, the sections of current affairs, the current situations of our country or other country, and for the sections for the sports and business and travel, science forum, and again the sections for education also. So people also advertise their goods and services through me. So through newspaper, people also advertise. That means to make known to public some goods and services. So people advertise their goods and services through newspaper. I have something for everybody, men and women, the young and the old. So newspaper said that, yes, I have something for everybody in this society. So either it may be men or women, either young or old. So all these sections have what? Something for every person in our society. Everyone waits for me eagerly. Each day people find something new in me. These days I am more colorful. Do you know I am printed on a special paper? It is called newsprint. So the Mr. Newspaper said, everyone waits for me eagerly. So we all people do what? Waiting for the newspaper early in the morning. Ako'y ayukta newspaper lakpa loy na mangaydra na. So people waits for the newspaper eagerly in the morning. And each day people find something new in me. Yes. Narangi khabar gi pauduga, ngasigi khabar gi pauga manabra, manade. So there is always some new news in the newspaper. So Mr. Newspaper said, each day people find something new in me. These days I am more colorful. And do you know I am printed on a special paper? So Mr. Newspaper said that now he is printed on colorful, and he is now more colorful, and he is printed on a special paper, and it is called newsprint. So children, the special paper on which the newspaper are printed is called the newsprint. Newspaper namiba che ado paper ado adubo khoina kai kaweba newsprint. Earlier, the printing machines were operated by human beings, but now I am printed by automatic machines. I am also printed in different languages and sent to various parts of the country. So, in earlier days, the printing machines were operated by human beings. So, human beings operated those printing machines. But now, these are all what? Printed by automatic machines. Automatic machines, that means automatic means doing things out of habit or without what? Some other thought. Automatic. So here automatic machines means what? Those machines done or worked by itself. No human beings are what? Needed. Human beings na tarombodo dakar oidreba. Hauzikti kaina loina magtaukreba. All these things are done by machines. I am also printed in different languages and sent to various parts of the country. So here Mr. Newspaper said that he is also printed in different languages. That means in Manipuri, in English, in Assamese, what? In Nagamese, Bengalis, etc. So wherever you stayed in our country, India, you can have the newspaper of your own what? Language. Isagi loan dane adum language ya apamba egi isagi language ta adum phangani ba. So it was all because of what? Printing in different languages. I think now you know a lot about me, said Mr. Newspaper. So Mr. Newspaper said, Amo, now I think you know a lot more about me. So thank you very much, Mr. Newspaper. I'm really grateful. Now I know how important you are. I promise to read you every day, said Amo. So Amo was very much thankful. Grateful means thankful, and he said that now he knows how important newspaper is in our life, and he also promised to Mr. Newspaper that he will be going to read the newspaper every day from now. Amona haizarameba ai mathangdagi dine ai nungtigi newspaper parani haina hairameba ko. So children, it's all about an autobiography of the newspaper. So we have already finished the explanation of the lesson. So it's now for new words and their meanings. First word, twittering. Chirping sounds made by birds. Well, sounds which are made by birds is called twittering. Second word, engaged. To keep busy. So in the lesson, some people are engaged to collect what? News, and they are called reporters. So the word engaged means to keep busy. Third word, advertise, which means to provide public information about a product or service, etc. So advertise means providing public information about a product or services. Fourth word, automatic, done out of habit or without conscious thought. Yes, we have already come across with the word automatic machines, which runs what? The printing. And fifth word, grateful, which means thankful. Yes, Amo was very much thankful at the end of the lesson to what? Mr. Newspaper. So, grateful means thankful. So, we have already completed the new words and their meanings here. So, it's now the time for activity. So, before the lesson, I have already told about autobiography and biography. So, let me repeat you the definitions of autobiography. An autobiography is an account of person's life written by the person himself or herself. So, for this activity, what you have to do is you have to write 5 to 6 lines about yourself. You got it, children? Nasa-nasagi maramdana. You have to write about 5 to what? 6 lines about yourself. And you may start the sentences like, my name is, and I read in class this and this. Okay, you got it? So, try to write just 5 to 6 sentences about yourself. So, children, we have already completed lesson number 15, and it was the lesson about autobiography of what? Newspaper. So, let's meet you in the next class.